Good morning, boys and girls. This is for group one. How y'all doing today? I hope all is well with y'all. We're going to do a review over our sight words. So there should be Charles, Kevin, who else is in that group? Aiden Black. Who else is in that group? Kennedy, Kenneth Daniels. This is for y'all group, okay? So this is a review. Remember on yesterday, Miss Alexis went over the sight words with y'all, right? So we're going to continue to let's go over the sight words again. Number one is cot, C-O-T, cot. Cot is one syllable, and our vowel in cot is going to be O, okay? Number two, dad, D-A-D, dad, dad, one syllable, and in our for dad, our vowel is A, remember? And the next one was mad, M-A-D, mad. Mad was also one syllable, and our vowel in that was also A. Number four was cat, C-A-T, cat. Cat was also one syllable, and our vowel was A. Number five was what, guys? Tag. T-A-G, tag, tag. Tag also has one syllable, and the vowel is letter A. Number six was mom. M-O-M, mom, mom, one syllable. And our vowel is letter O. Number seven was dog. Dog, one syllable, D-O-G. Our vowel was what, guys? O. Number eight, dig, D-I-G, dig. Our vowel have changed to I. Then we have doc. Remember she said that's the abbreviation of doctor. Doctor is two syllables, but doc is one syllable. And we're going to abbreviate that by spelling it D-O-C. O is our vowel. And you remember next thing we did? We asked different one of y'all what was the picture. And we spelled it cat, C-A-T. We circled it. We wrote it. Dog, D-O-G. We circled it. We wrote it. Tag, T-A-G. We circled it and we wrote it. So for today, guys, today we're about to go to this one. Anybody can tell me what do we see this young man doing? Can y'all see what he's doing? He's dead. Dead. He's dead. And remember, dead. So, we're going to need the D, right? We're going to need the I for the vowel and the G. And if we spell it, it's going to be D, I, G. Dig. So, the next one, we lay on it. It's called a cot. Cot. That's our first sight word for this week. Cot. It's going to be C-O-T. Cot. So, we can write it. C-O-T. Cot. And the boy he is mad. Mad. We're going to circle the M. The vowel is going to be A. And we're going to circle the D for the N. And we're going to write it. M. A. D. mad. So let's go over it again. Dig, when you're digging something to hide the treasure, or you're digging something so you can plant a tree. And the dogs like to dig up so they could go hide their bones or whatever they hide, right? Cot. Cot is something that you lay on. A lot of times you may see a cot. Some people have cots in the tents. Some people have cots at home where they just lounge on it. A cot. And mad. Let me erase that and make my A look better. Mad. Mad. When you're sad, the opposite of sad is mad or angry. Mad. So, let's go one more page. We see the picture, right? Everybody see the pictures? And up here we have what we call a word box. So they did the first one, dog. So they found dog, they scratched it through, and they wrote it. Okay, so then let's go to this one. They have an arrow pointing. So we have dad, tag, and cat. What do we think it could be if the arrow's pointing right here? Dad, great job, Dad. That's right. D A D for dad. Now let's move this a little. A tag. Y'all remember how we spell tag? T-A-G. Let's write it. T-A-G. Let me erase it and put that better. G. So we X'd out tag and we wrote tag. And our last one is what we went over, cot. Cot is something that you could lay on. You could fold it up and put it up. Cot. So let's scratch it out. And we're going to write it down here. C-O-T. Cot. So this is the end of this video. If your parents have any questions or y'all have any questions, feel free to contact Miss Alexis or myself. We're going to upload this to the classroom. After you do this, just try to go over those words some more because that's your sight words, your spelling words. We're probably going to Monday when y'all come in, if you come in, or if you're going to stay virtual, we're going to ask you how to spell those words. So try to remember the words or play a game with mom and dad with the words. Maybe you can write the words down and you can try to match the words. Or you could try taking the words and putting them in a sentence. Let Miss Alexis and Miss B know what you did. And also, you can send a picture if you like. So, if you have any questions, call us. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.